What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about OnyxCoin today, XCN. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. It is the 21st day of July, and here we are at about 1.86 cents. We're going nowhere fast, man, and I'm starting to wonder if we actually do. I'm back on this thought that we might not go lower, only because I'm on the thought that Bitcoin might not go lower, right? This drop down to 1.75 to 1.7 cents does rely, I think, on the rest of the market taking a little bit of a bath, right? If it doesn't happen, if the rest of the market's pumping, I just don't see XCN dumping. And if things really start to pump, XCN would likely start to pump as well. All in all, just looking at this here on the 1 hour time frame, looking at the RSI, we are in a downtrend, kind of, right? We've got lower highs, lower lows. We bounce off the oversold zone, but we look kind of bullish here, right? I don't think we look like we want to reject. We actually look like we want to break out higher, and perhaps we get into that overbought zone, taking us above where we are here. Stochastics look good, and I don't expect the MACD to be reliable because we've been moving sideways so much, but we got the cross down, and it didn't do anything. So it looks like we're about to cross up. So if anything, I'm actually bullish on this right now. Looking at it on a 4 hour time frame here, we're pretty damn near the zero. We could come to, and we even actually have gotten a drive of bearish divergence here, or bearish momentum there. We didn't even get a lower low, right? I don't know, guys. I think the signs are in our face at this point. I really do think that we're going to break out to the upside. Now that I've said that, now it can drop finally. But the stochastics look good. The MACD looks good enough. I think that it tried. I think that we tried just now, but we're probably going to move back up. That's my assumption here. RSI moving sideways here after forming a downtrend, moving sideways suggests that we'll form an uptrend and we'll move up higher. So I'm thinking that's what we'll probably do. Let's see, what else we got? What else? Let's look at the daily time frame again. I mean, you got out of the overbought zone. You're ready to rip and run there. Stochastics look good. MACD just crossed above the zero. I mean, you've consolidated enough. I think if you were to go lower, you would have done it already. You could still go lower. It's very possible, but I am expecting some magic to happen here. I'm thinking that we're going to get a lot of growth in a very short amount of time. Probably, I would think this next move does take us above these highs. And once we get above those highs, you guys, it's on. It really is on. We're probably going to see prices all the way up at like 5 cents or more in a very short amount of time. If not 5 cents, then 8 cents. That's the expectation. We could find turbulence here at this high, and that's why I keep saying 5 cents, because maybe we do find some turbulence right around there. Move up, kind of consolidate, right, and then get ready for the next move up as well. And that could happen. That could be our end of month move. But I wouldn't be surprised if this thing exceeded our expectations, exceeded my expectations. We really could be at 8.2 or higher by the end of this month. If not, something around 5 cents would be my expectation. I definitely do think that as fun as this move was, right, it's going to get more funner here in a pretty short amount of time. All in all, we're on track to move up to 26 to 32 cents. I don't know why I said 18. Maybe we go to 18 cents. That was the universe speaking through me right there for a moment. No, there's no targets there. We'd probably go to 26 to 32 cents. That's the expectation. Whenever we run these numbers, we compare it to Bitcoin. It makes the most sense that that's the area that we'd go to. Likely we will see new all-time highs. That would bring us to new all-time highs. And the rest is history, man. I don't really know what else to say. We're being boring right now. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame real quick. Let me just get my bearings again. Maybe by the time you guys watch this, maybe we come down a little bit, but I'm not assuming that we go down. I don't, at this point in time, I'm not entirely sure if we do go below 1.8 cents again. We could. It's possible, and it's something to be aware of, right? But at this point in time, I feel like I'm just waving the white flag of bearish surrender, because it's looking like we're ready to move on up. So I think that's what's going to happen. I don't really have anything else that I want to say. I've said everything I need to say. It's time to call a spade, man. And this thing looks like a nice triangle pattern that's going to break out to the upside. That's what's going to happen. Because we're likely what's not going to happen, right? If you got this type of consolidation phase, this triangle here, you're not just going to move down like this and then move up, right? If you move out one way or another, you're going to break out, and you're going to see that directional heading be achieved, probably. I don't know. And if you look at it this way too, it looks like from here you're bouncing, right? On this edge, from here you're bouncing, from here you're bouncing, and then from this edge here, it's like you're shaving it, right? And we're shaving it even more now. I think we're going to break out. That's my assumption. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all. I know the videos have been a little bit shorter lately. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys like them shorter? Do you like them longer? Because I can talk about more stuff if you enjoy it. But I just feel like because we've been moving sideways, there's really not a whole lot to talk about. But I can do some more talking if you want me to. Just let me know in the comments if you like these shorter videos or if you liked them before when they were like longer than 8 minutes. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all. Bye bye.